Okay, so here's my Hoya obovata. I don't know if you can see all of the... Do you see what happened to this poor plant from being outside in that greenhouse? Look at that leaf. This one all cut off. So anyway, thanks to Rachel. She gave me a heads up and probably saved my plants. She did save my plants because after one day, what could happen? And I thought these could take a little bit of sun, but I think it was just too much too fast. You know, putting them out there in the kind of heat we've been having, and they were used to being indoors. So I don't know, you guys give me an idea, but it's not a goner, thankfully. She's okay. So thank you, Rachel, for reaching out to me, saving my plants. These leaves were from the carnosa, but she's not looking bad. I just took off all the beat up leaves, but look. See how they looked? So just be careful. I guess you need to gradually get your plants used to the greenhouse temps. I don't know. I'm no expert. I'm learning. People said keep the place vented as much as possible, and just be careful what you put out there. Alrighty, so lesson learned. I'll be using it. I won't toss it away. I think it's going to come in handy, but I'm just going to be careful in the future.